Harry Harlow is one of the most significant psychologists to this day due to his unique research on the foundations of love. Born in 1905 as the son of Lon and Mabel Israel, he later changed his own last name to Harlow. Throughout Harlow's life, he experienced depressions, possibly brought on by his mother's coldness and lack of affection. Eventually, Harry Harlow grew up to attend Stanford University, where he had his first beginnings in psychology. As an adult, Harry's career led him to Madison, Wisconsin, where he studied rhesus monkeys. It was here that he conducted his famous experiment on primates. Perhaps his experiment was inspired by his own relationship with his mother. Regardless, through his findings, he was able to understand the monkey heart and its reasoning of love. In his experiment, Harlow separated baby monkeys from their mothers at an infant age, and instead isolated them in a cage with only a terry cloth as companion. Astonishingly, the monkeys became excessively attached to this cloth, even so that when it was taken away, the monkey would throw a chaotic fit. In contrast, when a baby bottle was taken away from them, they put up no fight. This finding deeply interested Harlow, and he decided to take the next step in his experiment. He created two mothers, one made out of wire with a milk bottle fixture on its breast, the other a surrogate mother with a terry cloth body and a sweet smile. Here, the difference was a cold metal touch that provides a necessity versus a soft, comforting touch that can only provide affection. So again, the infant monkeys were separated from their mothers, but this time they were put with the wire-feeding and terry cloth mothers. This led to an extraordinary discovery. Although the wire mother provided them with milk, the monkeys did not fawn over this mother as much as they did to the surrogate cloth mother. It was then established that love grows from touch, known as contact comfort. This sparked phenomena into the interaction with our own babies. We know now that when a baby is born, it should be placed on its mother's stomach, or that we should never hesitate to hold a baby. And so, on went Harlow's experiments. He challenged the idea of motion or facial features acting as an additional variable of love. However, even a faceless mother was worth the affection of the baby monkey. In fact, when a realistic monkey mask was placed on the mother, the baby monkey was petrified. An even more interesting segment of his experiment was creating an evil mother, one who physically harmed its children. From spurts of ice-cold water to stabbing in the torso, it certainly earned its name of the Iron Maiden. Relentless, however, the baby monkey still loved the mother the same, and Harlow went on to be famous, until he realized everything had gone horribly wrong. Just in the same year, the once glorified results of his experiment had turned drastic. The monkeys paired with the surrogate mothers were extremely antisocial and displayed many autistic-like characteristics. They had no innate sense of monkey qualities. One monkey, so mentally unstable, chewed off its entire hand. This perplexed Harlow, until he realized he had done it all wrong. He had forgotten one of the most important components: play. The monkeys needed a mere half hour of play with other monkeys to know what was normal. As humans, we know to rock our babies gently, or use a soft blanket when they go to sleep, or let them interact with other babies. Now, what were to be of the surrogate-raised monkeys? What kind of mothers would they become? The answer was, simply, inadequate ones. Many killed their own infants, while others were left apathetic. What this experiment has taught mankind is that love is nurtured by touch, motion, and play. Harlow taught us the importance of companionship and caregiving as applied to our own human development.